Everything's going to change. But before we begin, it's important to step back a couple of years.
And now for the important change that I was talking about. From here on out, we're going to try to do our off-grid hydroponics without plastic. No more of those.
See, people have always voiced their opinion about plastic, and I've tried several times over the years to ditch it. See, hydroponics works, and I tried hydroponics and other natural materials like glass, stone, and other things, and a lot of them worked well. But when I couldn't scale it and things got tough, I always fell back on the plastic. It's abundant, it's easy to use, it's cheap, and I got so confident in how I could grow that when anyone asks about plastic now, I get a little cocky. I don't like that. I've been just showing them a bunch of pictures of plastic in modern agriculture, how much we really use, just to open everyone's eyes. I don't condone this practice, it's just the truth. But then I ask myself a question. Why do we use plastic in hydroponics? And really the only purpose it serves, especially in our off-grid hydroponics, is to hold water. It's just a vessel to hold water and nutrients. So hydroponics has been around for thousands of years, and commercial use of plastic has only been around a couple of decades. So why can't we figure something else out? And that's what I'm going to try. We already know how to do hydroponics with plastic. The information's all out there. I've got 7 years of videos. And if we just keep doing the same thing over and over and over again, we'll never learn anything new. So I want to give this a try to help more people. I don't want to just help the people that only think like me. And the people that are afraid of plastic, that's a legitimate concern for them. I can't change the way they feel. But at the same time, I don't want to turn my back on them. So once more, as I give this a try, if things get tough, I don't want to have my downspouts to fall back on. I don't want to have the buckets to fall back on. Those work good, and I know how to grow, and I can make awesome videos with that. So it'll just be too easy for me to fall back into that. So once again, I'm going to ditch the plastic, and I don't want to throw all these downspouts away. So I'm going to use them for something else, but I'm going to mess them up so that I can't go back and make them a hydroponic container. So the rest of this video is just proof that I'm not just messing up one of my downspouts just to make a video. They're all gone. And if I want anything to show y'all, I have to get out there and do it now. I don't have anything to fall back on. So this isn't saying y'all can't do anything. This is me challenging myself and not giving myself a plan B. So I think this will be fun. I'll need your help. I'll be looking for lots of input. And I want to document this and show people. Because I can't think of everything. And I can't do everything. But maybe some of you out there will see something that I'm doing and take it in another direction. Maybe somebody else will figure this out. At any rate, we've been helping a lot of people in the past. And this is a step forward in helping other people. That's what Keep On Growing's all about. And I haven't said it in a while, but be the change.